So why Amiya Raya over other properties? First, the view. I always wanted to have an overlooking view before even purchasing a property here in Amiya Raya. That's one of my must-haves. Nasa checklist ko siya na gusto ko overlooking because I grew up in Antipolo and overlooking halos kahit saan ka pumunta dati. Ngayon kasi ang dami ng bahay din doon and establishments. And that's why when we got here in 2020, talagang yung bubungad sa'yo overlooking, alam mo na kung anong next na nangyari. And ano pa ba? Aside from that, I want peace. Gusto ko yung peaceful. Ayoko nung sobrang busy na maingay. Lalo na I'm working from home and I have a growing family. Gusto ko sila din. They will enjoy going outdoors. Lalo na we got this property during the pandemic. So, restricted ang galaw. Bawal lumabas. So, when we saw this, I saw freedom. Like, for my kids. And I like fitness. Kaya gusto ko maglakad every day. Every morning. Kung di ko man magawa sa umaga, I walk in the afternoon. So, this is very perfect for me. Kaya I chose this above any other property.